Hello everyone, welcome here today, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw a rose. In this drawing is a dedication of Lisa Greig. You've been commenting on all of my drawings, such wonderful things. In this drawing for your CRPS, this is for you. CRPS causes extreme pain, can be caused feel like you're on fire or feel like you're freezing. So this rose is going to have a bunch of those features in it, including the barbed wire and water droplets down the line. So that's what I'm going to be drawing, and this is in dedication to you, Lisa Greig. Thank you so much for commenting on all of my videos. So let's get to the rose. First, I'm going to be drawing the outline as you see. Now I'm going to be working on the first petal. Now on this petal, I'm going to be making lines that go upward and kind of toward the center of the rose. And I'm going to be making a whole bunch of lights and darks of the lines and really blend it together. And the materials I use for this drawing are blending sticks. I used a fat one and a small one. Then I used a 4B pencil, that Pentel Mechanical pencil, really helps, it's a very nice pencil. Then I used a simple Tombow eraser and a big fat eraser for my shading. So, and all the cool highlights. So as you see, I'm going to be working on the top left uppermost petal. I'm going to be kind of doing this petal in a direction that is up and then right to the right, so it makes a very nice smooth flow when I blend it in. I'm going to be creating a little bit more darkness and lightness effect by putting more pressure on certain parts of the petal. So that's how I'm going to be drawing it. That's basically the whole entire drawing of a rose. You want to have toward the inner side of the petal very dark, and then toward the outer side usually quite light, and a little bit of effects in the middle of it with darkness to light. So probably have a cool, nice rose that I'm drawing. You can draw off of any type of rose that you want. Just make sure that you're drawing a rose that you're looking at, because it's kind of hard to just think about a rose and draw it. Roses are very fun to draw, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little bit of a tutorial on how to draw a rose. And Lisa Greig, once again, I thank you so much. So everyone, hopefully you liked this video. Comment what you think down below, and thank you all so much.